So I've got a 2017 Ram 1500, and I'm going to show you how to check the radiator fluid level. So to check the radiator fluid level, it should be at the front of your truck. There's a yellow cap like this one, and the front passenger side of the truck, you can lift it up, and there's actually like a little dipstick in here. So what you want to do is take the dipstick out and wipe it with a cloth so you can get an accurate reading on it. Now if you look at the dipstick, there's a minimum mark right here, and then there's like a maximum hole right here. So you want it where the maximum line is. You want to keep it topped off. It's good to check this, you know, probably when you're doing an oil change, you can take a look at it. It's in some cars it's easy to see through the jug, but there's not a translucent jug in this vehicle, so you got this dipstick to look at. So put the dipstick in, take it back out. You don't have to close it like I did, I'm too busy talking. But the coolant level is right down here where it says minimum, and this coolant looks a little orangey to me, which I know Ram uses a few different colors, and I've got some green 50/50 stuff that I can mix with anything, but I don't want to do that. I'll see what the correct color is for this particular truck in the year and stuff like that. So if you had to top it off, get the right coolant from your local auto parts store. They're going to tell you if it's like orange or purple or whatever the heck color it is, and then just get a funnel and then pour it into here a little at a time. Then you can take your dipstick, wipe it off, stick it back down, and then take it up and then get another reading. And you eventually want to get it up to this mark here where it says maximum, right where that hole is. Hope you can see it in the video, but it's right about there. And when you're done, put the dipstick back in and then shut the cover. Make sure it snaps down all the way, give it a little tug, and make sure that's closed. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it. Take it easy, guys.